WhatsApp verification code not received. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how easily you can fix your problem of WhatsApp code not receiving. Now, first thing first, make sure that you are not trying constantly to receive a code. If you are doing so frequently, WhatsApp will prevent from hacks. So that way you will not receive code and you will have to wait for a couple hours in order to try again. Now the second thing you can try is updating your app. Head over to your Play Store. Simply type in WhatsApp. Tap onto WhatsApp. If you see update here, tap on update and update your app. Likewise, also make sure you have given WhatsApp a contact permission. Head over to your settings for that. Tap on apps. Then here search for WhatsApp. Tap onto your WhatsApp. Tap on permissions. Under here, make sure you see contacts. If not, tap on contacts, tap on allow. Once you do so, restart your device and this shall work. If it's still not working, then you can go ahead and try another number. That is all for today, guys. Thank you all for watching, and if it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.